Good morning to all. I am Ma Megeshwari. I am working as a assistant professor in NPR College of Engineering and Technology from Department of Mathematics. Today we see the statistics for management in F-test problem. Okay. Here F-test for testing equality of variances of two normal populations. We have to find variances of two normal populations. Here test condition is the populations are normal, samples have been drawn randomly, and then observations are independent and there is no measurement error, may be one-sided or two-sided. Test statistics is F equal to sigma into S1 squared by formula divided by sigma into S2 squared with N1 minus 1 and N2 minus 1 degrees of freedom. Sigma into S1 squared is the sample estimate for sigma into P1 squared, and then sigma into S2 squared is the sample estimate for sigma into P2 squared. Here problem is F-test for two sample standard deviation. Two random samples drawn from two normal populations are given below. Test whether the two populations have the same variance. Here sample 1 and then sample 2 value is given. Here sample 1 value is 20, 16, 26, 27, 23, 22, 24, 25, 19. And then sample 2 values are 17, 23, 32, 25, 22, 24, 28, 6, 31, 33 and then 20 and then 27. Here sample 1 value is 10 value is given, therefore N1 equal to we take 10, and then here sample 2 value given value is 12, therefore we take N2 equal to 12. Here F-test formula is F equal to N1 into S1 squared by N1 minus 1 divided by N2 into S2 squared by N2 minus 1. F-test formula is, here we have to find the population variance, therefore we have to use F-test. Here x1 bar equal to formula is summation x1 by n1. Here summation x1 is 20 plus 16 plus 26 plus 27 plus 23 plus 22 plus 18 plus 24 plus 25 plus 19 divided by, here n1 is 10, therefore divided by 10. Here summation x1 is 220 divided by 10, therefore x1 bar equal to 22, and then next we have to find x2 bar. Here x2 for formula is summation x2 by n2. Here summation x2 value is 71 plus 23 plus 32 plus 25 plus 22 plus 24 plus 28 plus 6 plus 31 plus 33 plus 20 plus 27 divided by, here n2 value is 12, therefore we have to simplify this, therefore x1 bar equal to 20, therefore x2 bar equal to 24. Next we have to find S1 squared. S1 squared formula is summation xi minus x bar whole squared divided by n1. Here summation xi minus x bar. Here xi value is 20 minus x1 bar value is 22 plus next value xi is 16 minus 22 plus next value xi is 26 minus 22 plus and the next value 27 minus 22 plus 23 minus 22 plus 22 minus 22 whole squared plus 18 minus 22 the whole squared plus 24 minus 22 the whole squared plus 25 minus 22 the whole squared plus 19 minus 22 the whole squared divided by here n1 answer is 10. Therefore we got to simplify this. Therefore numerator answer is 120 divided by denominator answer is 10. Therefore s1 squared equal to 12. Next we have to find s2 squared. Here s2 squared formula is summation xi minus x bar whole squared divided by n2. Here xi value is sample 2 we take. Therefore 17 minus 24 the whole squared plus 23 minus 24 the whole squared plus next value 32 minus 24 the whole squared plus 25 minus 24 the whole squared plus 22 minus 24 the whole squared plus 24 minus 24 the whole squared plus 28 minus 24 the whole squared plus 6 minus 24 the whole squared plus next value plus 31 minus 24 the whole squared plus 33 minus 24 the whole squared plus 20 minus 24 the whole squared plus 27 minus 24 the whole squared divided by n2. Here n2 is 12. Therefore we have to simplify this. Numerator answer is 614 divided by 12. Therefore s2 squared equal to 51.2. Then f test formula is n1 into s1 squared divided by n1 minus 1 divided by n2 into s2 squared divided by n2 minus 1. Here n1 is 10 and then s1 squared equal to 12 and then n2 equal to 12 and then s2 squared equal to 51.2. We have to substitute n1, s1, n2 and s2. Substitute these values for this formula. Therefore here we have to simplify this. Numerator answer is 120 divided by 10 minus 1 9 divided by here denominator simplify this. Here this value is 614.4 divided by 11. Here we have to simplify this. Therefore answer is 0.24. Next we have to calculate the table value. The table value for here table value is n1 minus 1 comma n2 minus 1 degrees of freedom. Here n1 is 10, therefore 10 minus 1 9 comma n2 is 12, therefore 12 minus 1 equal to 11. Therefore table value is 9 comma 11 degrees of freedom at 5% value point. Level of significance is 2.90. Here we have to the table value for F test 9 comma 11 degrees of freedom at 5% answer is 2.90. But the calculated value is 0.24. This value less than 2.90 table value. Hence the difference is not significant at 5% level of significance. And then one more problem. Next problem is two random samples have the following results is given. Sample 1 and 2 is given Here sample 1 size is 10 and then sample 2 size is 12. Sample mean is given. Sample 1 mean is 15 and then sample 2 mean is 9. Here and then another value is given, sum of squares of deviations for sample 1 is 90 and then sum of squares of deviations for sample 2 answer is given 108. Here given value is sample size for sample 1, therefore we take n1 equal to 10 and then sample 2 size, therefore we take n2 equal to 12 and then sum of squares of deviations for sample 1 is 90, therefore this meaning given value is summation xi minus x bar the whole squared, therefore s1 squared equal to summation xi minus x bar the whole squared equal to, here summation xi minus x bar the whole squared answer is 90 divided by n1 equal to 10, therefore answer is, we have to cancel this, therefore answer is 9 and then s2 squared equal to formula is summation xi minus x bar the whole squared divided by n2. Here summation xi minus x bar the whole squared answer is for sample 2 is given 108 divided by, here n2 is 12, therefore simplifying this, therefore answer is 9. Then already we know that f test formula is n1 into s1 squared by n1 minus 1 divided by n2 into s2 squared by n2 minus 1. Here n1 answer is 10 and then s1 squared is 9 and then n2 answer is here 12, s2 squared answer is 9, therefore substituting this value n1, n2, s1, s1 squared, s2 squared to substitute the value in this formula, therefore answer is numerator answer is 90 divided by 9 divided by 108 by 91, simplifying this, therefore answer is f test answer is 1.019 and then here calculated value is 1.019. Then we have to find the table value for n1 minus 1 comma n2 minus 1 degrees of freedom. Here n1 is already given 10, therefore 10 minus 1 equal to 9 and then here n2 is 12, therefore 12 minus 1 equal to 11, therefore table value for 9 comma 11 degrees of freedom at 5% level of significance, the table value for 9 comma 11 degrees of freedom answer is 2.90. Since calculated value is 1.019 but calculated value less than the table value, therefore it is not significant at 5% level of significance, so hence H naught is not, so hence H naught is accepted. Therefore f test formula is n1 into s1 squared by n1 minus 1 divided by n2 into s2 squared by n2 minus 1. Here the two random samples have the following results, therefore have the same variance, therefore f test we have to calculate the same variance problems. Okay, thank you.